Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to download TeamViewer on PC or laptop. So let's get right into it. Head over to your browser and search for TeamViewer download. And there go to TeamViewer's official web page. And here you will find different versions for Windows, Mac OS and Android, and Linux also. So we need our Windows one, and here we will download TeamViewer full client. And if you must check that if your PC is of 32-bit, so all you need to do is head over to your search option and search for settings and write about your PC. And here you can see my one is 64-bit based processor. So in here both 32 and 64-bit will work. So I'm going to download this one. And here you can see it is currently getting downloaded. Now click on the setup. Now click on accept finish. Go on personal, accept finish. Click on yes. And here you can see the TeamViewer is being installed in my PC. And yeah, it's downloaded. Here you can see my TeamViewer is currently showing in here. All I need to do is to sign in and make an account, and then I'll be able to work with it. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can do it also. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And we'll see you in the next one.